When to use ANOVA. Statistics students often ask, what statistical method or technique should I be using to analyze these data or to answer this question? In particular, you may be wondering if analysis of variance, ANOVA for short, is appropriate for the question and data that you have. So first, what is the main question that ANOVA answers? ANOVA is used to tell if the population means or averages of 3 or more groups could be equal, or if there is statistical evidence that at least one is different. Here are some examples of questions that ANOVA can be used to address. Number 1. Is there evidence that the mean time to process orders is the same for 3 different facilities? Number 2. A company wants to determine if the average age of customers in 5 regions is the same. Number 3. Is the mean battery life the same for all 6 brands of batteries? Number 4. Are there differences in the average costs of 4 similar products? Your data may look one of 2 ways. Either all of the groups or types are separated already and look something like this, or your data has 2 columns or variables, one variable telling the group and one variable telling the measurement for each observation. In both cases, ANOVA is appropriate. So, if your question describes 3 or more groups or types of data, the measurements or observations are numbers, that is, quantitative, and you want to tell if there are differences between the means of the groups, then ANOVA is a way to analyze those data and answer that question. In short, use ANOVA to tell if the population means of 3 or more groups are significantly different.
Created using Powtoon.